typical scraping noisy pump.
We have a typical noisy pump here. We've got the pump hooked up. This is going to be an instructional on how to correct the noise, and the noise is being caused by the rotor rubbing against the magnet due to a misalignment. We have, you can see some marks.
Yeah, right here.
There's some marks on the rotor, on the armature piece, which are rubbing against the magnets.
Inside here.
On the inside, right there. And that just has to do with the dimension, the combination of dimensions of three parts that are going to be corrected. But the fix to do this is when you have a noisy pump, you will disconnect it like this. You'll just simply loosen the two fastening bolts for the motor. And what we're going to do is we're going to ensure an alignment that keeps the armature away from the magnets. So you loosen the bolts.
And then when you're going to reassemble it, you're going to put pressure where I have my thumb right here.
Okay, we're going to put pressure. We're going to put pressure with the thumb right where Ivar is showing, and you push it forward.
Right.
And as you're pushing it forward, and you keep the pressure on.
And then you make sure that this is centered with your fingers before you start screwing it down.
Right. In case that didn't come out in the video, as you're pushing with your finger forward to the shell forward, you take your other hand and you center. You make sure that the end bell is centered as well. And as you're still applying pressure with your thumb against the shell forward, you retighten the bolts. Okay, so that has centered all the parts correctly. And now we won't have any contact.
You see the pump is running smoothly now at 50 psi, which would be its typical operating pressure. The full flow conditions.
You see now a normal noise, normal operating pressure at 50 psi that we just showed at open flow. And as you take the pressure higher, the motor noises away. Once the motor has been tightened down with this positioning, it's going to function normally.
Yep.